Introduction. At the beginning of the 4th century AD, the Kadambas who were Kannadigas in Karnataka ruled, making Banavasi in Uttar Kannada district as their capital, or called as Kadambas of Banavasi. The founder of the Kadamba Empire was Mayura Sharma, who was followed by Kanagavarma, Bhagirath, Raghu, Priyavrata Varma, Kakus Varma, Krishna Varma, Shanti Varma, Shivanda Varma, Vishnu Varma, and others. Ravi Varma of the Kadamba kings was the eldest son of Murugesha Varma. Many scholars agree that he has ruled with Banavasi as his capital for about 35 years from 485 AD to till 519 AD. He is the longest reigning king among the Kadamba kings so far. He is longest reigning king among the Kadamba kings so far. 70 inscriptions related to Banavasi Kadamba have been found, in which only about 12 inscriptions are related to Ravi Varma. Out of his 3 are stone inscription and 9 are copper plate inscription. Including this newly found inscription, there are total number of 13 inscriptions are found until now. The most inscription of the Kadamba dynasty are found during the time of Ravi Varma itself. Location of inscription. The location of newly found Ravi Varma inscription is Kalagunda village. The premises of this small temple now locally as the Ishvara temple and government higher primary school. Inscription. This inscription 143 same length and 49 width and content 7 lines. It was Brahmi script and Sanskrit language. The content of the text is Swasti Swami Mahasena Matruganana Vishaktasya Manavasya Gotrana Hariti Putrana Swadvaya Charcha Parana Sakala Jagajja Namujjana Kadambanam Yashva Shaktini Ramandalam Anokyara Edminswa Rikashriyam Sri Murugesha Varmana Sutta Swaguna Sambhuta Ravi Varmiti Vishwavantam Vijayshegna Sakala Sahayuktana Tandula Mukta Vatkala Manijya Shedbhaga Sthiti Muchunda Sunta Kamashravayiti Tattadidiyasha Punaha Ravi Varma Narakatam. Summary of the inscription. This inscription consists of 5 parts of Kannada numerals. The first part mentions the Kadamba dynasty and at last the part is numbered as 1. In the second part, Ravi Varma is the son of Murugesha Varma. The part is mentioned in the number 2nd at the end. In the third part, the king is praised and at the end the part is entered in number 3. The fourth part indicates that the donation has been given and the part ends with iti and it can be interpreted as ending here. The fifth part ends with a course. Similar to Kannada numerals in this inscription, Kannada numerals are mentioned in Ravi Varma's rock inscription of Gudnapura and in Priyavrata Varma 6th year Tamrapada inscription, Kannada numerals are given for copper plates. In this inscription, Ravi Varma, the son of Murugesha Varma, is famous for being the ruler of Mandala by his own power belonging to the Kadamba dynasty. Are skilled in self-study and debates as son of Arati belonging to the Manavasya Gotra, who was favored by Mahasena and hunted by Matruganas, Sapta Matrikya. He donated Shedbhaga 1/6 part of village of Muchunde in Mana in the inscription of Shivaskanda Varman of Malavalli in Shikaripura Taluk. 12 villages are known to have been donated. It mentioned the village of Muchundi, which is referred to as Apara Muchundi and Kunda Muchundi. It could be Agrara Muchundi or Maitama Muchundi of Shikaripura Taluk. Ravi Varma's name is mentioned twice in this inscription. In the course of the fifth part of the inscription mentioned as Ravi Varma Narakatam. It's probably in all inscription that one who corrects charity in inscription goes to the hell. But there is no mention in any of inscription that the king will go to hell. But the meaning of Ravi Varma Narakatam is not understood here. There is no mention of time in this inscription. The inscription may have been laid during the Ravi Varma regime from 485 to AD to 519 AD. Lion sculpture. Near the place where the inscription is found, there is a lion sculpture which is 92 cm long to 78 cm width outstanding the school compound. Such lion sculptures are found in large number in Shivamogga and Uttarakhand districts of Kadamba rule. Wherever these are found, Kadamba sites are to be found. Locals call these lion sculptures Uliyappa. Kadamba's emblem is a lion, so these lion sculptures may have been defected. These lion sculptures are found in the places such as Marvalli, Gama, Irajambu, Tirthadi Taluk and Shikaripura Taluk. These are belonging to the Kadamba's period.